3, 2, 1, and action!
Good morning, everyone. I'm Yasir Remando. I'm here in Port of Tabaco, and I'm going to Tetuanes, beautiful Tetuanes. And after that, I'm in the boat, in the car over there, and my kasama is in the car, my auntie.
Cut!
Now is I'm waiting in the boat in my car, and everyone over there truck. The time is 5:30, and in the boat is 7 o'clock in the morning. Then after that, and see the beautiful places in the Tetuanes. You watching me and first and the end, okay? Look at that, the Mayun volcano is over there. I see the Port of Tabaco here. It's beautiful, look at that. Now my boat is moved on. And look at the Mayun volcano over there. It's very beautiful. This place is Port of Tabaco, and many fishermen is over there. It's very nice, it's very beautiful. But now I'm go out in the boat, then diving over there. These are many working job, food, fish, abaca. Okay. This is my auntie. Look at my auntie.